Hey everyone, with this video we'll be taking a look at using the buttons we created earlier in Canva to set up a table so that we can have navigation buttons in our Canvas course on a page. So I've created this button layout page, but now we need to edit. So click the edit here and you can see I've added the word welcome, but now I need to add my table. So I'll come to Rich Content Editor, come to the three dots at the end, and depending on the size of your screen you may or may not have this table option showing right here. And I created three buttons, so I need three regions on my table. So I'll create this 3x1 table. I could create a 2x2 or whatever size I'd like. And now it's time to add my buttons. So here I'll click in the first cell, then I come up to images, and I want to upload an image. And if you recall, we created some buttons here earlier in Canva. So I'm going to select home and drop it right there. And then I'll add a description for what that is, kind of an ADA thing. And we'll say submit. That button should appear. Now I can look at my second cell, come here and choose upload image. I'll jump out to the file that I have created just specifically for this called modules. I'll drag and drop modules right there, and I'll add my description and then say submit. And then our final one will be, of course, grades. So we'll click here, choose upload image again, jump out here and find the grades button we created, drop that, add our description here and say submit. And we're ready to go. I don't like this border around the outside though. I'd prefer to get rid of that, and I'd like the buttons to be in the middle of each cell. So I'm going to click on the home button and just come to the centering tool here. Same with modules and also grades. Kind of cleans up that look just a little bit. Now I don't like the borders, as I said. If I save this page I'm going to have a 1 pixel outline. I don't want that, so I'm going to click on the table in a white space area, and you'll see I've got the blue handles on the corners right there. And all I need to do is come to the first box called Table Properties right there. If you hover over it, you'll see that the word Table Properties pops up as a hint. Click on that. I'm going to leave it at 97.9817%. It's basically the full width of the screen. But I want to come down here and delete the border width. Set that to 0, and we'll say save. Now when we jump out here, you'll see that my buttons are hovering nice and clean. They have no border around the outside. I can change the spacing by dragging the size of the table, but that's basically all I need to do to get those laid out. In the next video, I'll take a look at how to link these to different areas so that the buttons have an action assigned to them. All right, have a great day. Hope that was helpful.